Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever wondered why you've encountered the error message saying, "We noticed a data mismatch with your opponent's squad, so we canceled the match. You will not get a loss for this match"? This error not only causes the player to not have a match, but may also affect their stats and contacts. Players receive this error while playing co-op squad battles. Many players have shared that before they received this error they were able to play with the same player. To fix the issue first, make sure the game is updated to its latest version. An outdated game may cause this error. So before you dive into the other solutions, check for updates. If the game is up to date and you're still facing the issue, the first solution involves changing your controller settings. Switch your settings to a different mode, and then revert back to your original settings. Strangely enough, this simple switcheroo has helped some users resolve the error. Still no luck? Let's move on to the second solution, deleting your personal settings. To do this, go to the game's main menu, select Profile, and then Delete to get rid of your game settings. Once you've done this, restart the game and see if the error persists. If you're still seeing that pesky error message, there's a third solution to try: resetting your squads. This can be done by going to the game's main menu, selecting Settings, followed by Edit Teams, and then Reset All Squads. Once you've reset your squads, restart the game and check for the error. To recap, if you're facing the "we noticed a data mismatch with your opponent's squad" error, there are three main solutions. First, ensure your game is up to date. If the problem persists, try changing your controller settings, deleting your personal settings, or resetting your squads. Remember to restart the game after each step to see if the error has been resolved. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.